Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Etsy for beginners. Begin by carefully selecting your niche, ensuring it aligns with something you genuinely love to create. Researching similar shops helps you understand current market demand and competitive pricing strategies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's fee structure, which typically includes a 20-cent listing fee, a 5% transaction fee, and a 3% plus 25 cents payment processing fee per sale. This foundational knowledge sets you up for success. Your shop's presentation is crucial for attracting customers. Select a shop name that is easy to remember and reflects your brand. Design an appealing banner and logo that visually represent your unique style and offerings. Craft a welcoming shop announcement to highlight current promotions, and share your brand story in the About section, building trust and connection with potential buyers. This thoughtful setup establishes your online presence effectively. High-quality visuals are paramount. Take clear, well-lit photos showing your product from various angles. Your product description should be comprehensive, using keywords that potential buyers might search for, explaining benefits and features. Price your items thoughtfully, considering material costs, your time investment, Etsy fees, and a healthy profit margin, perhaps setting a minimum profit of $10 to $15 per item. This combination attracts clicks and conversions. Drive traffic to your shop by actively promoting your products across social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, showcasing behind-the-scenes content. Engage with the Etsy community by participating in forums and collaborating with other sellers, expanding your reach. Always encourage customers to leave reviews, as positive feedback significantly boosts your shop's credibility and search ranking, which can attract many new buyers. Consistent effort leads to steady growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.